Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do is show you how to set up your first crypto wallet. So for those of you that have been wanting to get into crypto and perhaps you don't know where to start, you don't know anything about wallets, I'm going to teach you step by step how to set up a hot wallet. This is going to be a non-custodial wallet, and it's going to allow you to own your Bitcoin or your Ethereum or other altcoins in one wallet where you have control over it. So this comes at a risk. So for example, it's not an online exchange. So if you guys feel like you don't want any responsibility, I always recommend set up a Coinbase, set up a crypto.com account. But if you want to own your crypto where, if an exchange goes under, then this is a free way you can do that. And at the end of this video, I'll show you the best way to protect your assets. So if you get something out of this video, like, comment, and subscribe. It's one way you can help us out. So we're going to imagine that, you're getting into crypto, you're looking at the market, you're like, hey, I want to get in before the next bull run. Today we are November 9th, 2023, and Bitcoin's at 36,600, Ethereum's at just under 2,000, and Cardano is at about 36 cents. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to trustwallet.com. And again, we're going to be setting up a wallet fast and easy. You're also going to want a pen and a piece of paper. Okay. So you're going to use this to write down your recovery seed phrase. So if you ever lose access to your device, in this case, we're going to be using the desktop, then you're going to want to make sure that you follow these steps. So by the way, you can use the mobile app as well. So it's going to be the exact same steps. All you're going to do for that is go into the App Store, or for an Android, what do you have? The Google Play Store, something like that. So all you're going to do is type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to find it here. I may even have it downloaded, but they've updated everything as well. So I do. So that's kind of what it looks like. Let's put in my code. If I even have a code. So that's what it looks like. Trust Wallet. So it's got the nice blue and white branding. So you guys can do that. You can click here, download mobile app, and you can just scan that and get started. So we're going to do the extension. So we're going to do the Chrome extension. There are obviously other options for you as well. So follow these steps. And again, specifically if you want to get into Bitcoin, Cosmos, Ethereum, this is a great simple way for you to get started. So we're going to download the extension tool. We're going to click on Chrome. All right. And we're going to add to Chrome, add extension. Okay. So now we're going to go to the top right. And here it's going to ask us, do you want to create a new wallet, import recovery wallet, or connect a ledger? So if you do have something like a hardware wallet, you can connect this. So this is the best case scenario. You pick up a hardware wallet and this acts as an intermediary. So you can connect this device to your computer through this wallet and buy NFTs, connect to decentralized applications. So we're going to show you the simple method, but also the free method. We're going to create a new wallet. Now, if you already have your words written down, if you want to recover your Trust Wallet, you're just going to click import and plug in your words. So we're going to write on a piece of paper, Trust Wallet. All right. So I'm going to put here Trust Wallet test, just so I know. Test Mitch. Okay. You don't have to write that great, something like that. There you go. All right. So now we're going to go to create a new wallet. Here we're going to put in a password. Let's put in a password, maybe capital Moose Dude, and write that down. Moose dude 1 exclamation point. Capital Moose Dude 1. And again, you're going to use your own password. I'm just making up a random one that I've never used. So we're going to go here. We only blah, 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 blah. So share data. That's fine. Okay. So your wallet is ready to use. Now, what's important is that you never share your private keys with anybody. This is a tutorial. Remember that. Okay. So this is for educational purposes only. Your words are yours, so you never share your password with anybody else. So we're going to, I wonder if we could show this already. So we're going to hit this pin though. So if we go to the top right, I want to hit this pin. That will allow us to see the logo at all times. So we're going to open wallet. Okay. And this is a good wallet. You can do quite a bit. You can buy crypto. I'm already used to Trust Wallet. We're just going to close this. Okay. So there we go. We set up a wallet. And the first thing you want to do, sometimes you do this while you set up the wallet. In this case, you do it after. You're going to back up your recovery seed phrase. So we're going to go and back up our wallet now, and we're going to show our words. So we're going to put in our password, MooseDude1, and these words you never share with anybody. This is for tutorial purposes. You do not share these with anybody. If somebody gets access to this, they can import your words into another wallet that they set up on their computer. And yeah, like this is giving you access. So we're going to write down these words, okay? It's radio. So we're going to put 1, and we're going to write radio. And we're going to write number 2, floor. So it's from left to right, top to bottom, I believe. Excuse. 4, 5, 6. So excuse, dawn, splits. I recommend doing this slowly. You can do it at the same time as well as I am. And then we got word 7, 8. So 7. We got split, kiwi, elite, kiwi. I haven't ate a kiwi in a while, man. 9, track. 10. So this is going to be a 12 word, obviously. Much easier to do than a 24. Second, tree. I am not going to use this wallet. You're going to have your own words. So to give you an example, these are your words, right? So you put your wallet name, write down your words, you hide this piece of paper. You perhaps, I recommend having 2. So write down your words twice, hide them both in different spots. Yeah. And if you have more than like $500 in crypto, or whatever the number is, like as soon as you get to the point where you're afraid of losing your crypto and it feels like you have a lot, pick up a hardware wallet, get a Trezor, get a Ledger, get any one of these devices, because the problem with these wallets, sure, it's free, sure, it's simple. Yes, you do have more control. But the issue with these wallets is that they're hot wallets. And whereas hardware wallets are cold wallets, because with this wallet, if somebody gets access to your computer, then they get access to the data that's on the software. So that's the main reason. So now we're going to put in our words and make sure we wrote it down properly. So again, we got radio floor excuse. So we got radio floor excuse. Dawn split kiwi. Dawn split kiwi. And you're going to have different words. Elite kiwi track. Second tree title. So most wallets will do that. So we now backed up our wallet. So at the end of the day, if for whatever reason we uninstalled this app, or if we did this on our phone, again, the same steps for your phone. If you lost your phone and you're like, crap, I had 3 Bitcoin on this device, well, you wouldn't have it unless you wrote down your words. So these words, these are more important than the wallet that you have here in front of you. This is this is showing you the tokens that you own the private keys for on the blockchain. So your tokens are never on this software. It's just your public address that shows you the tokens associated with your private keys. Okay. So for example, you own some Bitcoin. So if we click here, this is our Bitcoin wallet. If we hit receive, we send some Bitcoin to this address. Okay. When Bitcoin goes onto this wallet, okay, now those tokens are stored on the blockchain. So we generated a new wallet on the blockchain. Our tokens are always on the blockchain. We have access to this particular wallet in order to send Bitcoin to a different wallet or send Cardano to a different wallet, whatever it may be. So there are a lot of different options here. You've got Atom, you've even got receiving for NFTs here. So really cool stuff. So for sending and receiving, if you want to receive Bitcoin, we just showed you kind of. So let's zoom in a bit. Go to Bitcoin, click it, go to receive. This is your public address. Copy that, send it to somebody. If you want to receive Bitcoin on this wallet, say, hey, send me Bitcoin to this address. It's either in the form of a QR code or this string phrase. So that QR code represents these letters and numbers. So it's an alphanumeric phrase. Okay, if you want to buy some, click buy. You set the amount, and then you can send, an e-transfer or MoonPay. So there's a lot of different options now for buying crypto. And to send some, very easy. You could sell as well, actually, which is cool. So if we go up here, you see the wallet in the smaller form. So you can expand it or just use it in the smaller form. And the other good thing here, too, is you can switch networks. So that's one thing you can do that I like a lot as well. So actually, if we go back here, we can click here on switch networks, and we could go on to the Polygon network. So this is kind of like a MetaMask, very similar. They've been updating quite a bit. So here you've got the earn, so you can stake and earn, 20% on Cosmos. You should be able to stake ADA too, no? Well, you can stake Solana. Really cool. So there's a lot that you can do. We'll be doing other videos in the future as well, in particular on this channel. So I like the buying. You can swap as well. So let's say you have, some AVAX on the C chain. You can swap it for some cake or, whatever it is you want. So there's a lot you can do with that. So that's all we really got for you. I'm going to close that now. Again, set up your own wallet. Today we are November 9th, 2023. Bitcoin's starting to pump a bit. I feel like we're at the lows. Cardano's at 36 cents. Let's hope that this video ages well in that regard. Check out the link tree. I've got links. I'm going to be adding all the hardware wallets. So if you want to protect your assets like a pro, do that. We've got a free Cardano mini course. I teach you there how to set up wallets, how to get started, everything in there. And then I also have online courses. So with that being said, the moose is loose. If it ain't your keys, it ain't your cheese. We'll see you all in the next one.